Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be looking at a couple of Smartish cases and accessories here. And this is the second part of a previous video, which I'll link up above, with the iPhone 11 for cases for that phone. This one is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I do have a couple cases here to show you. The first of which is the Wallet Slayer Volume 2. So the Wallet Slayer Volume 2 is a wallet style case. And as you can see here, this one is in a black color, which they call Black Tie Affair. This does come in a couple of different colors here. So we do have that Black Tie Affair. We have Purple Rain, which is a kind of violet color. We have Blues on the Green. And then we have a Flavor of the Month, which currently is a, looks like it's Blues on the Green color with flowers on there. And it looks really, really nice. The pricing on these, for the traditional colors, we have for the Black Tie Affair, Purple Rain, and the Blues on the Green, these run $24.99, and then the Flavor of the Month is $29.99. So another cool thing is Smartish does have a bunch of different collections with different kind of things you can get on these cases. They vary in different prices, but I will show you some of those collections on the screen here now, so you can kind of get an idea of some of the cool cases that they do sell. So what's unique about this case? Well, as I said, it is a wallet style case. You can fit 3 cards in here, so credit card, debit card, license, whatever you want to use in there. Another kind of unique thing is that there's a slot here that you may notice. And what this is, you can put a card in here and you can use it as a stand. So just as an example, I'm going to use this gift card here, and basically you have that slot as I showed you here, and you just slide your card in the slot, and then you use it like this. So you can actually like watch a video and using your credit card or your debit card or whatever as a stand. So that's pretty cool actually. So as I said, it can fit 3 cards in here. Now this has been used, so you can kind of see that it does eventually loosen up a little bit. It is pretty tight when you first get it. When you have a card in here, you'll have your card in there and you'll see it right here. So if you have trouble getting it out, you can just push it from this side and pull out this way. And then you do have that little indentation right here, so you can also grab it. So there you go. Now after it loosens up a little bit, you may be able to fit more than 3 cards, but I think 3 is probably the max you want to do on there. So just to give you a little tour around the case here, so that is our little wallet pocket right here, the slot for the credit card stand. We have a nice cutout for our camera here. All around here you do have this kind of textured grip material around. We have nice clicky buttons. Works really nice. On the other side we do have a cutout for our mute and sound switch. More clicky buttons, covered really nice, and then that texture goes all around. And another thing you'll be able to tell here is they do have grips on each side, and that is really nice for gripping the phone. So the grips are nice and welcome. On the bottom here we do have cutouts for our speaker, microphone, and our lightning port, and these feel really nice. So there you go. It does have this kind of interesting pattern all along here. It does have stitching and everything. It looks really nice, and you have that Smartish branding right here by the wallet here. So I think this pattern looks really nice. It is not like real leather or anything like that, but it is nice. It does have a nice feel to it, and it looks really good. The next case we'll be looking at here is the Wallet Slayer Volume 1, and this one is the first edition of the Wallet Slayer. This one is a little bit different, so it doesn't have a textured back or anything like that. It is kind of plain Jane a little bit, but it is a couple bucks cheaper. So this one comes in a couple different colors also. So the colors it comes in are, it comes in the Black Tie Affair, which is black. We have that same Purple Rain color, violet color. We have Blues on the Green, which this is right here. Looks really nice. And then it also comes in Flavor of the Month also. That one is in Blues on the Green also, and does have a nice flower pattern on there. So the pricing for this case, so with the Black Tie Affair, Blues on Green, and Purple Rain. The pricing for this is $14.99. And then if you get the flavor of the month, that one is $19.99. So I'll give you a little tour of the case here. So it does add a little bit of thickness here, and it does hold 3 cards, and it can hold cash. So I do have the little Lowe's gift card in there, and it does have that little slot so you can push it out. You just pop it in, and there you go. So it is a smooth texture. There's no texture to it. However, if you get the flavor of the month or something like that, it will add a little bit of texture to it. We have a nice cutout for our camera here. And around the sides, we do have that textured feel with the grips. We do have nice clicky buttons. They do really well with the button coverage here. Nice cutout for our silent and sound switch here. Here it is from the side, so you can kind of see. So you'll have your cards and cash right here. On the bottom here, we do have our cutouts for our speaker, lightning port, and our microphone, and everything is nice there. And then on the side here, we do have those nice grips, so you can grip the case, and everything works out really, really well there. So, as I said, this one's secure. This one holds 3 cards. It can hold cash. We have these nice textured sides. It is pretty lightweight. It does have these what they call the air pocket corners, so for, you know, if you drop the case and that kind of thing. Same thing here. And that's if you want to see the difference between the two, the volume or the Wallet Slayer Volume 1 and 2. So personally, I think Volume 2 looks a lot better. It just has a little bit more character to it. And then these are both wireless charging compatible. However, I did see that there were a little bit of issues with wireless charging with cards in here. Without cards in there, it seems to work okay, but it's not always super reliable. And the third case here that I'll be showing you is the Gripzilla, and this one I actually showed in my previous video. This one is for the iPhone 11 Pro. I don't have one for the Pro Max, so unfortunately I can't show you with a phone in it. But it is not much different than the iPhone 11 version. This one is like a tough case, so it has the nice big corners here for drop protection. You do have those nice grips on the side there. The buttons look good here. We have our cutouts there. And this one comes in a couple different colors. So we have the Black Tie Affair. We have that minty green with the, it has that kind of teal color on the back and then gray on the sides. And then this also has the flavor of the month. Pricing for that is $19.99 for the Black Tie Affair in the minty green, and then for the flavor of the month, the one with the flowers there, that one is $24.99. And so lastly here, what I want to show you is a product they call the Cable Wrangler, and it's kind of an interesting concept. So it's this kind of little block here. It does have a nice fabric on there, has a rubberized bottom, and what the purpose of this is, it is to hold your cables onto it. So most of you have seen probably those little clips that you can clip onto the edge of a desk or on your nightstand, and it maybe uses adhesive, that kind of thing. What this does, it uses magnets. And to show you that, I'll show you a lightning cable here. And if you have a cable at the edge of your bed, you may want to, you may have to like stick it somewhere so that it stays on your nightstand for when you come back. This, it just holds it magnetically. So it's a pretty strong magnet. It's pretty interesting. So when you can get it to, there we go. So you can have it just stick there, and then when you're ready to come get it, you just take the cord off the little Wrangler here and just plug it in your phone. So this is a lightning cable. However, what I noticed is it does not work with micro USB cables. So when you try to use a micro USB cable, nothing happens. So if you come across that instance, they include 3 of these, and these are for cables that do not have a magnetic attraction to the actual case there. So what you do is you wrap the cable in one of these, and then when you want to wrangle, when you want it to sit there you go. So now it has a little place to go. So they do include 3 of those. So if you have a lightning cable, it'll work there. If you do not have a lightning cable, like a micro USB cable, that will not work. So there you have it, a couple of cases here from Smartish that they did send me, and I appreciate them sending me these out. So we had that Gripzilla case, the Wallet Slayer Volume 2 and the Wallet Slayer Volume 1. Really nice cases. And the Cable Wrangler, which is really, really cool. They did also send me some screen protectors here, which I have not tried, but I will open one of these just to show you what it includes. So the ones they sent me here are for the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the 11 Pro. So we'll go ahead and open this and I'll show you what's in it. So what comes in here, you get 2 screen protectors. These are glass screen protectors, which are really cool. So it does give you information or instructions on how to do it. What's included, we have a microfiber cleaning cloth. We do have 2 alcohol prep pads, a dust lifter sticker, and then you have those 2 screen protectors. And one thing I love is these guides. So these guides here, I've seen these in a few different screen protectors. These you basically put on top of the phone, without the case obviously. You put it on top of the phone and then it clicks on there, and then it helps you put on the screen protector perfectly. So these are super cool. If you ever go and buy a glass screen protector, if you see that it includes a guide, that's the one to get. Don't get it without it. It's hard to put them on without a guide. So then we have the 2 screen protectors here, and then we have the phone tidying kit. So this includes that microfiber cleaning cloth and the 2 alcohol prep pads and those little stickers to get any dust off. So those are really, really cool. So these are $10, and that is for 2 screen protectors. So again, I'd like to thank Smartish for sending me these cases and the screen protectors and the Cable Wrangler. Really, really cool items that they have here. They make really affordable cases. So these are all under $30, and you get a really nice quality case. So definitely check out their website. I will leave a link to it down below. These also include a lifetime warranty, so if you have any problems, they are covered. So I think a lifetime warranty is amazing, especially for a case with this pricing. So if you ever have any problems, you can just contact them and they will help you. These are really, really great people, and I've worked with them for the past couple weeks, and I definitely think that they are a great case maker. So definitely give them a try if you're looking for a good case for your iPhone. They also sell cases for Samsung phones as well. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this look at some of the cases that Smartish offers. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you did like the video, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.